Dustin Abernathy, journeyman lineman for 7 years at Southern Pine from Pinola, Mississippi.
Now therefore, we, the Commissioners of the Mississippi Public Service Commission, do hereby proclaim April 18th, 2024 as Lineman Appreciation Day in the state of Mississippi.
I'm Brett Welburn from Stringer, Mississippi. I'm a journeyman lineman at Southern Pine Electric. I've been employed here for 8 years.
They're out there doing the work to make sure that they provide the service to all of us.
My name is Greg Jackson, journeyman lineman at Southern Pine. I've been here 42 years.
There's a brotherhood that goes way further than what we, us folks on the outside appreciate it. They care for each other. They look out for each other, not only themselves, but their family.
I'm Jacob Blake. I'm a journeyman lineman at Southern Pine, and I've been here 8 years. I'm from Newton, Mississippi.
Today we recognize the hard work and dedication of our linemen.
It's an amazing service that they provide for all of us to continue to allow us to have good, reliable power. And they sacrifice their lives and their families that worry about them when they leave and whether they're going to come back, because it's a dangerous job that they do.
And if you see one out on the road today or in the grocery store, pat them on the back, say thank you. They're dedicated men.
Thank you very much, and thank a lineman today.
Thank a lineman.
Let's thank a lineman today.